In this video, we will explore the top 5 best mini grinders and electric pens designed for jewelry making, DIY projects, and detailed crafting work. From precision engraving to polishing and grinding, these tools offer versatility and control for creators of all skill levels. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 5. Greenworks 8V Mini Grinder. Greenworks 8-volt mini grinder is a compact cordless rotary tool designed for detailed carving, grinding, and polishing tasks. It uses a lithium battery paired with an 80 power output permanent magnet motor, delivering smooth performance with reduced noise and heat. The variable speed system offers 6 adjustable levels, ranging from 5,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute, making it suitable for fine engraving as well as light material removal. The tool supports wood, jade, stone, bone, glass, metal, plastic, and tile applications, including carving, drilling, rust removal, polishing, and even pet nail grinding. A patented automatic lock shaft secures the spindle when the tool stops, allowing quick and safe accessory changes without a separate lock button. This design helps prevent accidental activation during adjustments. A total of 52 accessories are included, covering common creative and maintenance needs. The integrated smart display clearly shows speed level and remaining battery power, while the built-in task light improves visibility and reduces shadowing during precision work. Efficient fan-based heat dissipation supports longer working sessions. The high-capacity battery provides up to 40 minutes of continuous operation and recharges through a Type-C connection with 2 ampere fast charging. Weighing only 225 grams, the rubberized non-slip grip and slim body measuring 194 by 36 offer excellent control for extended use comfortably. Number 4. Xiaomi Mijia Electric Grinding Pen. Xiaomi Mijia Electric Grinding Pen is a compact rotary tool designed for home carving, polishing, burnishing, and drilling tasks. It features a slim, pen-shaped body with a diameter of about 2 centimeters, making it easy to hold and control during detailed work. The anodized aluminum alloy housing, combined with soft rubber grip areas, provides a comfortable and stable feel during extended use. The tool weighs around 310 grams, which keeps it light and portable while still feeling solid. At its core is a durable, brushless hollow cup motor capable of reaching speeds up to 22,000 revolutions per minute. This motor delivers consistent power for engraving, grinding, polishing, and drilling across materials such as wood, metal, jade, and model components. Operation is straightforward, with a single power button to turn the device on or off and a rotary knob to adjust speed smoothly. Accessories can be changed without tools by simply unscrewing the pen head, making it beginner-friendly even for users with no prior experience. Power is supplied through 2 modes. The built-in lithium battery has a capacity of 800 mAh, supporting up to 60 minutes of continuous operation on a full charge. For longer sessions, the pen can also be used in plug-in mode, eliminating downtime. Included is an automatic pop-up storage box holding 16 high-quality grinding heads with a rod diameter of 2.35 millimeters, keeping accessories organized and easy to access. Number 3. ARROWMAX SGS Mini Grinder. ARROWMAX SGS Mini Grinder is a compact cordless rotary tool designed for engraving, carving, polishing, sanding, and light grinding tasks. It comes as a 36-piece kit that includes 24 engraving bits and 12 polishing bits, making it suitable for a wide range of home and craft applications. The pen-style design is lightweight and easy to handle, allowing precise control for intricate details and delicate strokes. This mini grinder operates quietly and is fully cordless, making it convenient for portable use and creative work anywhere. Power is supplied by a rechargeable battery that delivers up to 90 minutes of continuous operation on a full charge. Charging is handled through a magnetic 5-volt USB system with a dedicated inbox charger that attaches easily and reduces wear on ports. Speed control is flexible, offering a range from 10,000 to 20,000 revolutions per minute in 1,000-step increments. Users can adjust speed and rotation direction for forward or reverse operation, ensuring better results on different materials and techniques. These settings can be adjusted directly or through an optional smart app available for both Android and iOS devices. The grinder supports work on wood, glass, metal, and many other materials commonly used in DIY projects. Dynamic indicator lights display remaining battery level clearly, with 4 stages representing full to low charge. Its compact size, balanced feel, and accessory variety make it a practical tool for hobbyists seeking consistent, professional-looking results at home. Number 2. Deli 5 Rechargeable Engraving Grinder. Deli 5 Rechargeable Engraving Grinder is a compact cordless rotary tool designed for home crafting, engraving, grinding, drilling, and polishing tasks. Its pen-style ergonomic body is lightweight and balanced, allowing users to work with steady control and reduced hand fatigue. The rubber-coated grip follows a curved design, making the tool feel natural to hold, similar to writing with a pen. The grinder features a powerful and durable motor capable of reaching speeds up to 28,000 revolutions per minute. A 5-speed adjustment system allows precise control across different materials and processes, supported by a built-in speed indicator light for clear visual feedback. This makes it suitable for jewelry detailing, leather carving, wood polishing, and metal or jade surface finishing. A high-precision chuck securely holds accessories with a maximum clamping size of 3.2 millimeters, ensuring stable and accurate operation. The tool supports efficient burr removal, fine engraving, and smooth polishing results. It also includes a stainless steel cutting blade for trimming small nails, plastic scraps, and thin wood pieces. For convenience and safety, the transparent protective cover shields against debris without blocking visibility and can be easily removed or installed. 4 integrated fill lights automatically activate when the tool starts, illuminating work details clearly. A large-capacity lithium battery supports extended creative sessions without frequent recharging. With 101 included accessories, this versatile tool adapts easily to a wide range of DIY applications and creative needs. Number 1. Dremel 3000 Multifunction Engraver. Dremel 3000 Multifunction Engraver is a corded electric rotary tool designed for cutting, carving, polishing, sanding, and grinding across a wide range of materials. It comes as a complete kit with 10 assorted accessories, allowing users to handle common workshop and craft tasks without additional purchases. The ergonomic anti-slip handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, supporting stable control during longer working sessions. At the core of the tool is a powerful motor that delivers consistent performance with 6 adjustable speed levels. The speed range spans from 10,000 to 32,000 revolutions per minute, giving users the flexibility to match output to delicate detailing or more demanding material removal. Speed selection is simple and precise, making the tool suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Accessory changes are streamlined through the EZ twist joint, which allows quick swapping without separate tools. The precision chuck supports accessory shanks ranging from 0.8 to 3.2 millimeters, ensuring compatibility with many common rotary attachments. A ball-bearing structure helps maintain smooth operation while reducing heat buildup. Low noise performance is another key advantage, with operation rated around 25 decibels, supporting a quieter and more focused work environment. Replaceable motor carbon brushes extend the overall service life and reduce long-term maintenance costs. With its balanced design, durable construction, and versatile functionality, the Dremel 3000 fits comfortably into home workshops, garages, and professional crafting spaces. There you have it, our picks for the top 5 mini grinders and electric pens that stand out for performance, design, and creative flexibility. Each option brings something unique to the table, whether you are a hobbyist or a serious DIY enthusiast. Check the description below for the latest prices and product links.